Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we're going to be making this really fun gnome home. If you wouldn't mind in the comments, if you could write down if you could come up with some other ways to decorate this. I chose just the door, some moss, and the butterfly. So let's get started. To begin the gnome home, you're going to do a little bit of a calculation. So first you're going to find out the last page in your book. So the last page in my book is going to be 349. So I'm going to write that down. So 349, and then I'm going to subtract 160. The reason being is I'm going to have 80 folds in my book, and so each fold actually takes up 2 page numbers. So I'm going to subtract the 160, and I get 189. Then I must divide that in half so that it's perfectly centered. So 2 goes into 189. So 94 is a little left over. So we're going to start off on page 95. So go ahead and turn to page, whatever the centering page of your book is. For me, it's going to be 95. And I will show you how we start the folds. So the gnome home is made out of 2 different types of folds. So the first fold is you're going to take the right upper hand corner of your book, right? And you're going to fold it like a triangle down along the spine. And then you're going to use your bone folder to make that nice and smooth. So it kind of looks like a sailboat at this point. Then I'm going to take this edge and fold it in to the spine, again taking my bone folder. So that's fold number 1. The second fold, you're going to take the bottom corner and bring it up. So now it's almost like an upside down sailboat. And then you're going to take the right upper hand corner and bring it down. So you're forming this lopsided triangle. And that's fold number 2. And that's really all it is you're going to go back and forth between the 2 folds. Again, just using my bone folder to smooth everything out. So again, now I'm back to fold number 1. So I'm going to take the top right corner, fold it down like so, and then I'm going to take this part into the spine. And then I'm going to go back to the other fold. Bottom right corner, bring it up to form an upside down sailboat. Top right corner, bring it down along the spine to form a triangle. And once you get into the rhythm of things, it goes fairly fast. So top right corner, bring it down, then bring this into the spine like so. Then you go from the bottom right corner, bring it up to form that upside down sailboat. And you have to be really careful right at the tips. It can get a little tricky there, and that's where the bone folder kind of comes in hand. And then top right corner down along the spine to form that triangle. And as you can see, I just keep going with that pattern. And very quickly you can see the beginning of the roof line and then the house part of the gnome home. I'll go ahead and show you one more. Right corner, down along the spine, and then bring the edge into the spine, like so. Bottom up to form that upside down sailboat, right tip down along the spine to form your triangle. And you're going to go ahead and do that until you have 80 folds. So each one counts as one fold. So this would be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 already done out of the 80. So it's as easy as that. You're going to have a gnome home.